Welcome to Ricoma Craft. It's National Quilt Month. This is my favorite month of the year. I love quilting. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a 10-minute table runner on our Iconics industrial machine, and we're going to use Easter fabric. So, all the directions will be underneath here, and you can download them and print them out, and it tells you how to cut it and follow along. So, let's get started. Okay, I got 2 pieces of fabric. I'm going to flip this over, and it's right sides together. And I have my little handy clips here. And I'm just going to clip these down. Okay, it's all clipped together, and now we're going to go to the sewing machine. We're going to do a 1/4 inch seam along this edge. This is the stitch length dowel, and I got it on 2.5. Then I move down here and move my needle over here, and this will give me the 1/4 inch. From the needle to the edge of my foot is a 1/4 inch. The 20U is a real fast sewing machine. So I can go up to 1,400 stitches per minute. I'm not going to go that fast today. So I'm going to go up to 400. Okay, I got my bobbin thread and my top thread, and I'm just going to hold these together till I get started. Okay, we got that side done, and I'm just bringing it out and cut my threads. Then we're going to take this side over here, again, right sides together, and we're going to sew down this side. And so I'm going to clip this together now. Now we're going to sew again 1/4 inch on this side. Now I'm going to press the seams. Just a light press. Now we're going to turn it inside out. Okay. Now I got this all done, and I want to make sure there's an inch on this side and an inch on this side before we press it. That's an inch. I lay this down, that's an inch. So now I can press this. And slide it down. Again, I want to see if there's an inch. There's an inch there. There's an inch there. Now, since it's all pressed and everything, I'm going to cut off the salvages. Close your rotary cutter blade. Now we're going to fold it just like this, matching up. And I'm just going to put one clip in there. Hold that. Turn this into just one clip. Now we're going to sew it a 1/2 inch on each end. I'm moving the needle over from a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch. With the ruler, I'm measuring from the needle to the side of the foot. That shows me that it's a perfect 1/2 inch. Okay, I did a 1/2 inch seam here. I'm holding my tails. Now remember, you got a back stitch at the beginning and at the end. That's the locket end. Now we're going to do the other end the same way. Now that we're finished sewing, I'm going to cut my corners, trim up to the corner, and you're going to trim this in here. Same down here. Now we're going to press these seams open. So I'm going to get my iron. Now this is where the magic comes in. You're going to turn it. And I'm going to take my tweezers and just push that corner out so it'll be nice and pointed. There it is. There's your point. And I'm going to press this. Now I'm going to do the other end. Now I'm going to sew down here and sew down the other end. Hold your tails, back stitch here. Now we do this end too. And your back stitch. Now we're going to sew down the sides. Turn it over and do the same thing. Okay, it's done. Your Easter table runner is done for Easter. I did another table runner just like what we made, only it has the applique bunny on it, and you do the applique first before you sew anything together. Please check out the link below in the description. There you will find the bunny rabbit that we made and the directions for your table runner. Thank you for coming to Ricoma Craft today to see our Easter table runner. Please share, leave your comments, and subscribe. And show me your table runner that you did. Tell us what you would like to see on our 20U industrial machine. I'll be glad to share it with you. Thank you for coming. Bye.